Uh, Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So, as you can see, this is my room, neat and clean, and my beside window. Today's weather is very sunny, as you can see. This is Nurulam. Welcome back to my English habit. Today's topic is very important. Today's topic, uh, how to improve my English learning journey. So if you are a beginner learner, watch this video until the end. Okay, so let's get start our video. Actually, uh, when I start my English learning journey, I cannot speak, I cannot uh, short sentence make, long sentence make, and I cannot confidently speak. But right now I am here. Okay, so that is my small accents. Just only 1 month, 7 days or 8 days ago I cannot anything, but right now I am here. Just only three things my improving English learning journey. So if you are a beginner learner, you can just three things follow and your growth uh, take. Okay, so let's get started our main point. First thing, change your habit. It is a very important. First time I change my habit, everyday speaking, everyday reading, everyday writing, everyday listening. So every day I change my habit. Okay, this is a very important. So if you are a beginner learner, first time change your habit. Okay, every day uh, listening 30 minutes or 40 minutes as you like. Okay, and second, uh, speaking every day, speaking only like 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, uh, and everyday reading and everyday writing. I uh, me very help only just four things, four habit. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner, you can just hit follow. Okay, and second thing is very important. Change your environment. That is very important and very crucial part. I cannot uh, English, so that's why first time I change my environment. Environment means your friend, like he's a beginner and like you beginner. So that's why you and he practice English, and I not your city environment exchange or your home, no matter. Okay, just your environment means online platform, like uh, you can try interested, uh, means that means uh, uh, any one person want to English speaking improve, so that's why he and you practice English. Okay, so it's a very important. And third thing is a very important, that is be ready to hard work everyday. Hard work, be ready. Okay, because every successful people always hard work, always maintains to-do list, or every day, every time, every moment, maintain time. Okay, so that is very important. So if you are a beginner learner, you can just three things follow, and your improve uh, English speaking. So okay, I hope this you learned something this video, because only just three things me follow and my improve day by day, improving and growth English speaking. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner, you can just follow my tips, and only just everyday habit. I repeat this. First things, change your habit. Second things, change your environment, and ready to be uh, means hard work. Okay, so I hope inshallah, I believe that inshallah you will be success, you will be a fluent speaker, just your mindset uh, input. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Next, see you soon, and next coming next tips and tricks. So with me, and like, comment, follow and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much everyone. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.